I know the voices in my head aren't real, but sometimes they have some pretty awesome ideas. Damn, I can't believe this works. All right, guys, so here's what this is all about. A couple of things. Well, Dumb Thumbs decided to run into a tree. I took out the RunCam Split Mini sensor and also cracked the case. And I was like, oh, you know, I got reviews to do on this thing. I put the motors on. I got some props to review. I got some batteries to review coming up. And I'm like, you know, you got to be kidding me with this. So when I got home, I was like, you know what? It's either I order one of these from RunCam and wait until Christmas before I get it, or try something a little bit desperate. And so what I did is I had a RunCam Split version 2 laying around in a box, and I started taking a look at it, and I started taking a look at how wide the ribbon cable for the Mini was when it goes into the sensor. And I was like, you got to be kidding. Maybe it is the same size as the version 2. And sure enough, it is. And it actually works. So you can Frankenstein a version 2 camera with a RunCam Split Mini board. And the benefits of that, there's actually some really good benefits. First of all, this is a much better camera. You can use a GoPro lens, which makes it really is way better than the RunCam lenses. And the performance in the sun and so on and so forth is much better than this. This is not really that great of a camera. So yeah, anyway, it works, and it works well. If you do get this wrong and plug the cable in backwards, because I found out the hard way, it doesn't really do anything. It just doesn't start up. And then you flip the cable around. You know, and one of the other reasons I did this is I wasn't sure if I broke the imager or if I hurt the cable, or maybe I even hurt the boards. I wasn't sure which one it was. I didn't want to order, you know, spend $80 and order a whole new one. If it was just the cable, I was just going to get the cable. If it was just the camera part, then it's $35 for this. And if it's just the boards, then it's $35 for that. So I just didn't want to spend another $80 on something that's, you know, going to break every now and then. So there you go, guys. I do got some things that, like I said, I got some reviews, and that's why I really wanted to get this up and running. These are the Hyperion HV series. These are the new graphene batteries, and they were nice enough to send me 4 of the 1800s and 4 of the 1400s. So, which are these right here. So these are HV graphene 90C batteries, and the performance on them is really, really good. The sag performance and everything else. So I'm going to be having a review coming up with that. You'll be seeing the performance of these in the flight video here, just to show how this works. And you'll also be looking at these props too. These are the Team Motor props, and these are the 5143-1. So T5143-1 clear grays. And I want to see how well they perform on these Emaxs. This is the Emax LS 2207 light spec. These are 2550 kV motors. So I'm hoping with this prop combination, it provides a very good combination of lift and then also of efficiency as well. So I got a flight video coming up. So I'll be doing a review on that and also a review on this. And also see if this works. So stay tuned.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, babe. the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before.